it this far. You've come a long way. Now get ready. Be prepared. For your world might change in an hour. We'll be waiting downstairs. See ya!
Hey girls, good morning.
Good morning!
Welcome to Razzle Dazzle Salon.
How are you doing, girls?
Great!
Nakatulog ba kayo kagabi?
Yes!
Well, anyway, we want all of you guys to look fabulous. Gusto namin, paglakad nyo sa kalye, lahat ng tao napapatingin sa inyo. Ngayon kasi, you know, when you walk in the street, hindi kayo masyadong kapansin-pansin and you get lost in a crowd. So we want to change all that. Vince and I yesterday had a meeting with the top people of L'Oreal Paris. And we came up with a look that's especially perfect for each and every one of you. Yung talagang look nyo talaga.
You girls are so lucky. We have Louis' team of hairstylists to do your hair. And L'Oreal's team of fabulous makeup artists to do your makeup.
Are you ready for change?
Yes!
Great. First, we have Grendel. Grendel, alam mo yung hair mo, medyo off yung color. So, we're gonna make it really fabulous. I-color natin, tapos we're gonna layer it. Alam mo yung shoot ko sa preview before, na nakahati sa gitna with blunt ends. That's what we're gonna do to you. Joy, you have such a pretty face. Gusto namin makita. So we're gonna chop it all off, and we're gonna make you look like Halle